Oh my goodness. You know, no wonder we're the #5 small city in America.
Right.
Unbelievable all the things we've got going on, especially this time of the year.
Yeah.
And when you wake up to the kind of weather we had today, you don't ever want to go. You don't ever want to leave. It's just so
I agree.
nice, isn't it? We had an overnight low of 59 degrees this morning and 78. That's how warm it got. 78 degrees, and so you can see we really smashed averages. 64 degrees and 83 is normally what we see this time of the year, so it was very, very comfortable out there. And part of the reason it's been so comfortable is the fact that our dew points are so low, so that's giving us that crisp feeling in the air. And 40s and 50s, wow, that is comfortable outside. And of course, temperatures around the state are pretty much uniform. We're looking at the coolest reading around Jacksonville, 72 degrees there. Tampa also reporting 72 right now, as is Melbourne. But once you move into Central Florida, we're looking at temperatures in the mid to upper 70s at this hour, and everyone is reporting fair skies. So right here along the beaches, we've got temperatures in the low 70s, and then you move away from the beach and you're not looking at much of a change. And that's what's going on really everywhere across our viewing area, but the farther south you go, it's just slightly warmer in some locations. As far as the winds are concerned, they're just diving down out of the north, and as a result of that, our temperatures are going to get even colder tonight. So you can see that these readings are very calm, so we don't have to worry about any problems for tonight if you're heading out the door. But we are going to see our temperatures back down into the 50s tonight for the overnight lows. And you can see that we're going to be cooler in places than places like Gainesville and Jacksonville by the early morning hours. So we're going to be seeing that cooler weather really filtering on down. And then by tomorrow, we're back up to temperatures in the 80s once again. Remember all the clouds that were sitting on top of us yesterday? Well, they're just a thing of the past. They're all down to our south. We've got a few clouds and showers out here. Nothing that's going to come back at us, and so the entire state really reporting just beautiful sky conditions, and this is going to last through Monday. We're going to continue to see beautiful weather. We've got a cold front that's coming in Thursday, Friday, Saturday, but we don't have to worry about it for the next couple of days. And as you can see, there was nothing out in the Gulf of Mexico to bother us, and there's nothing on shore that we have to be concerned with. Now, of course, we are talking about Oscar, and Oscar, as I mentioned late last night, is the 15th system now of the season, of the 2018 season, and now he's just become a hurricane. So we're dealing with Hurricane Oscar with 75-mile-per-hour winds at this point, moving towards the west. That would seem rather scary, but we do have another system that's out here pushing off the U.S. mainland, and so that's going to interfere with the progress of Oscar. And so Oscar is going to start to make more of a U-ey and move on up into the northern Atlantic, and as you can see, it's going to get stronger over the next couple of days, and we may get some tides that come on through and some high surf along the eastern seaboard, but we are not going to be having any problems with Oscar over the next couple of days. And here he is right here, and here's the system that's coming and defending us, and so this is what it's going to get caught up and it's swept away with, and we're not going to have to worry about Oscar here in the U.S. mainland. So that's some good news over the next couple of days. And here's our next cold front. This is the one that's going to have an impact on our weather beginning this upcoming Friday, and we're going to start to see it come on through here beginning on Thursday night with about a 40% chance of rain in the forecast, and then up to an 80% chance as that front comes through, cooling things off once again, and that's going to be about it for us. We don't have to worry. But all the way through Wednesday, fair skies, and on this night, Wednesday night, you will be able to go out and do whatever you need to do because there won't be any rain to interfere with it. Dwayne?